How awesome would it be if you could sit back, relax, and make some money? If you didn't have to put so much as a few clicks on your laptop or phone and could make a few bucks every now and then. Think no more and watch this video about how you can make more money without working more. Number 1. Sell photos online. Do you have any photos that look absolutely stunning but are not very personal? Do you have any photos that are so photogenic but provide no purpose other than just being good to look at? Do you have photos that you think are too good to delete? Well, I think you understand the gist of it. Everybody takes photos, and sometimes those photos are just sceneries that you find stunning and beautiful. However, other than that, it doesn't serve you any other purpose, such as a memory or a symbolic message. The good thing is that with these specific photos, you can earn money, and a lot of it too, if you manage to sell it to the right people. It comes with no surprise that people need photos, whether it is for making videos, for graphic design, or for running ads. People need photos. Selling your photos that you have taken for the sake of it being pretty can be sold to others who are looking for something that hits them just right. After all, there is a reason as to why you took the photo in the first place, right? A quick search in Google of "sell my photos" results in many websites such as Shopify, Shutterstock, Stocksy, Etsy, and more. Number 2. Rent out extra space that you are not using in your home. Have you heard of Airbnb? Airbnb is a popular app that allows people to rent out parts of their houses to people who are looking for a place to crash or sleep over at. Without saying, one amazing way to earn cash that is often overlooked is renting a room in your house. Heck, it doesn't even have to be a room. In fact, there are many entrepreneurs that are renting out their garages or renovating their basements to other people. I guarantee there are a dozen ways that you can make extra room in your house. For example, do you have a storage room? How about an empty garage? What about your backyard deck? A backyard shed, maybe? A storage room is a great space that you can clean out and make adjustments for. The bigger the room, the better. With that being said, garages are often the go-to renovation areas that people rent out. This is because garages are compartments that houses your car. It has got a lot of space, electrical outlets, and with a few adjustments can even have water pipes. If you think about backyard decks that have roofs over it, it can work pretty well as a room that can be rented out. This is, of course, the most risky and out-of-the-box thinking that you need to do to make your backyard deck into a living space. It goes without saying that this space will cost you a lot of money to renovate, as you will need walls and outlets that lead out to the backyard area. A backyard shed can surprisingly work wonders as well. Similar to the garage and storage room, it is a spacious area that can be remodeled into a living area. Of course, with this idea, you will most likely have to invest a lot of money in it, but if you go all in into remodeling your house to rent out, you can easily make your money back within a year or two. Number 3. Sell items that you don't need or use. eBay, Craigslist, Kijiji, and many more sites allow you to sell items that you don't use anymore. It is without a doubt that these sites have been around for so long simply because it has a purpose, and that purpose being able to sell things and make money. The best part of this is the fact that you can always Google search or DuckDuckGo search your way into finding what price your items are worth. Because after all, whoever would have thought that Pokemon cards would be worth thousands of dollars? Do not worry, however, because even if you are not tech savvy, you can always hold a garage sale and sell things in your driveway. The former, selling things online, will definitely be a better alternative in terms of selling things you don't need, since it is just a click away and requires you very little work to get done. While the latter, holding a garage sale, will take a lot more work out of you. But just remember that there are endless ways that you can sell old things that you find lying around your house, whether it be toys or furniture. Selling things that you simply don't need can also be an activity for you to clean up and declutter yourself. So, in a way, it's a win-win situation. Number 4. Save on better banking options and accounts. If you're looking to save more money or earn more interest with your money, one way you can do that is by going to your bank or other bank institutions and comparing bank accounts. This is, of course, a very niche way of doing things, but this is one way that you can technically increase your income without working. Think about it this way: when you have money in your bank account, you are guaranteed to either receive interest payments monthly or pay more for each transaction that you do. When everything is said and done, there are only so many ways that you can make your money yours while having it in a bank account. It should go without saying that different banks have different interest rates and different accounts that can cater to your every need. If you find yourself not making any transactions, then look for something that gives you more interest for having money in your account but limits your free transactions to a handful per month. Some accounts charge you money for not hitting a certain threshold, while another can limit the amount of times you can withdraw from the ATM. When taking certain protocols into account, this is by far the safest way you can save or earn money, depending on how you view this. Number 5. Invest your money. This last point should be a no-brainer if you are an avid watcher of this channel. Investing is by far the best way you can make money work for you without needing to put extra hours into it. Whether it be investing in ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, mutual funds, individual stocks, or even cryptocurrency, it is better to have your money invested. Think about it this way: allowing your money to be volatile, whether 1% or 99%, is better than having it stay static. When your money is static, you can only make more by using your time. In contrast, when it is volatile, sure, it can go down, but it can correct just as much. This is, however, a subjective point of view, as this is definitely not something that an older person should take, as they have to live off their funds. But if you are someone who has just come out of studying for years and years and years, this is definitely something that you can do. Of course, it should go without saying that you should only invest with what you are comfortable losing. For example, if you have a huge lingering debt of $14,000 and you have enough to pay for it, you should most definitely pay it off before you begin to invest. This is because if you don't manage to pay off debts, regardless of how much the interest is, you will only be delaying your financial independence. One last note when it comes to investing your money is that you should always do research into what you are investing in. If you feel comfortable with where the company is headed, or you feel comfortable with a team that handles an ETF stock, then by all means, invest with them. However, if you feel like you do not understand the ultimate goal of said company, or do not understand the purpose of a cryptocurrency, then reconsider why you want to invest in them. This has been 5 ways that you can increase your income without working more. Hit that like button if you feel like you have learned something, anything at all, and subscribe for more financial content like this. See you next time.